Let's take a look at those weather headlines and what to expect going into next week. So we've been dodging scattered storms this entire weekend, and we saw some today that moved through the area, just bringing in some heavy, lots of lightning, heavy rain, isolated heavy rain, and some gusty winds. Now, the temperatures have backed off slightly as we go into this weekend and into next week, but we're really going to see that break from that humidity as we get into your Tuesday and Wednesday as this cold front moves through. That's not necessarily bringing colder air, but it's going to give us a break from that humidity that we've been seeing for the past week or so. Now, taking a look at that here, we can see that Sunday and Monday, we're still going to have that 95-degree heat index with temperatures in those upper 80s. But as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, mainly Wednesday, once that cold front moves through, that's when we're going to see just a little bit of a break in that humidity here. Now, looking at the rain chances for the next several days as well, we're going to continue to see those rain chances Sunday and Monday and then into your part of your Tuesday. But Wednesday, that's when we're going to finally see a break from this rainy pattern that we've been seeing for the past couple of days. So I'm going to track that out for you. Starting off today, we're going to see that really seeing the temperatures, we're starting to clear out. We're sitting in those 70s here. As we get into your Sunday morning, we're going to start off in those 60s here, upper 60s and cloudy. But this is when we're going to start to see some scattered showers and storms start to pop back up into the area as we go throughout your Sunday afternoon. But once we get into Monday morning, we can see that we have a batch of showers and storms that's going to start moving this way as we get in. We're going to start in those upper 60s. We're going to quickly warm up into those 80s before we get into your Monday afternoon. Now we're going to widen this view out just a little bit for your Monday afternoon starting at 2 p.m. and we can see we have this storm system that's going to be going through, moving to our east. It's going to be bringing in more humid air, and behind it we can see this dry air that's going to start to funnel in our way. And as we get to your Monday into your Tuesday, we're going to continue to see these showers and storms as this cold front starts to move in through the area. But once this moves through for your Wednesday morning, we're going to start off pretty cloudy, but we're going to see some drier air and less humidity as well. Now tonight here, we're going to get down to 70 in Lexington. We're going to see a few clouds and we're going to remain warm and muggy. And as we get into tomorrow, we're going to warm back up into those upper 80s, 89 here, continuing to stay warm and humid. And we're going to have that another chance of seeing some scattered PM showers as we go into the afternoon. Same as what we've been seeing, some lightning, heavy rain, isolated heavy rain, and some gusty winds are possible. Now, looking at that 7-day for the next 7 days for your, like I've been saying, for that Sunday, Monday, we're going to continue to keep that rain chance sitting in those upper 80s with our lows sitting in those lower 70s here. But as we get to your Wednesday and Thursday, that's when we're going to start to see the pattern shift here. And we're going to be sitting in those upper 80s. We're going to see partly sunny skies for your Wednesday and Thursday. But 4th of July, it's looking a little warm. We're sitting in those lower 90s here with a 20% chance of an isolated shower or two for your 4th of July. But other than that, we're going to remain pretty dry. But we see Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those lows are going to start to dip back down into those upper 60s. First time we've been seeing that for a while.
Your 7-day